So I just placed my first bet using OddsJam, and let's just say things did not go as expected. Because whether you're a total beginner or a seasoned bettor, you've probably wondered, does this platform actually give you an edge, or is it just all hype? Well, I tested it out myself, and in this video, I'm breaking down exactly what happened, the good, the bad, and the unexpected surprises along the way. And trust me, you want to see the results before you place your next bet. So, to begin, okay, this is the OddsJam dashboard, but I want to do a quick rundown on what OddsJam is, and more specifically, what positive expected value means. Because EV stands for expected value, and this is a way to figure out if a bet is good or bad over time. A positive EV bet means that if you place that same bet many times, you would expect to make a profit. So here's how to calculate expected value. Expected value is found using this formula. EV equals probability of winning times payout minus probability of losing times amount wagered. So a bet is positive EV only if the sportsbook's odds are better than the real chance of the outcome happening. So if we go to this page right here, you will see this game right here, Denver Nuggets versus Los Angeles Lakers. And when you click on it, you can take a look at all the different bookies that are offering this game. So the way it works is, if you look at this game right here, there are two bookies offering this. This bookie has it at 2.05. This one has it at 2.4 for over 6.5. So based on this, it's better to place the bet on Bet365 compared to this bookie right here because you're getting significantly better odds on Bet365. So that's kind of the logic here. Same thing when you look at this game, you will see all these different bookies. And for under 6.5, you can get it at 1.95 at Bet365 versus 1.83, 1.87, 1.73. Pretty much what positive EV betting is your price shopping for the best odds. So now that we understand that, what is OddsJam exactly? Well, this is a tool that helps people find good bets by checking the different sports books, and it looks for bets where the odds are in your favor, meaning you have a better chance to win money over time. So here's how it works. Basically, it compares the odds from different sports books to find the best ones. It removes the extra fees, the VIG, that sports books adds, so you can see the true odds, and it helps you find positive EV bets, which are bets that should make money in the long run. So here's like an example of a positive EV bet. Let's say Team A has these odds. DraftKings has minus 110. BetMGM has plus 100. The fair odds would be minus 105. In this case, since BetMGM is offering plus 100, this is better than the fair odds of minus 105. This means that this is a positive EV bet. And this works because it's based on math, not luck. You don't have to guess the winner, you just find good odds. So you don't need any sports knowledge or anything like that. And also it makes money over time. Some bets will lose, but overall, EV bettors should win more than they lose. This also removes emotion from betting because you make choices based on numbers, not feelings. And that's why OddsJam is super awesome, because you can find smart bets instead of just guessing. So let's go back to OddsJam. So now that we've covered what positive EV betting is and how OddsJam works, let's just take a look here and let's show me placing a live bet to show you this process. So if we take a look right here, let's find this game right here, Jared Butler under 6.5. So this one looks pretty good, 1.95. We're getting 9% expected value. So I'm going to go to the game on Bet365. Assists over under, Jared Butler going for under 6.5. There you go. Place $10. Double check that it's good. Place bet. Confirm. And there we have it. We placed a bet, a positive expected value bet. Following the system, I'm going to add this to my betting tracker. Let's go. So yeah, that's the positive expected value tool. But to show you how much I've made since I've started with this, let's just go right here. So as you can see here, we've been using it for a week and we're up $74 right now. So pretty decent, and I haven't wagered much. If you go down here, the ROI is 107%, which is insane. Now, to be fair, I have been getting really, really lucky. I just happen to win every single bet. So a little bit of luck, but yeah, 83% win rate. This is not normal. Just saying, like, realistically, I should be up like 7% based on the bets I've taken. I think a 7% profit margin, it would probably average out to that in the long run, but pretty good, 107. And let me pull up the actual bets. But a cool thing about OddsJam, it shows you like all the bets in here, so you can kind of track how things are working. We see this bet right here that's coming up, Jared Butler. But yeah, the first one I bet was an L, this one right here. And then we had a really good day here where we just happened to win everything. This one won, this one won, this one won. I also had a dumb bet that I placed. I put Newcastle to win the Carabao Cup, which they did. This was more of just me just memeing around, but yeah, I had a lucky day there. Then we won this one. And yeah, we got this one to come. So that's kind of the app. $74 made in 7 days, so not bad return, but this is an awesome tool. I'm going to keep using it. If you want to check it out, I'll put a link in the description for OddsJam. And if you use my code LukeParlay, then you'll get 35% off. So check it out. Link in the description. But even with the best tools, if you don't have the correct strategies when it comes to sports betting, you could lose all your money with one bad move. So check out this video next to learn why 99% of sports bettors fail and what you can do differently to join the 1%.